Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Jakota. As you can see, my barber got me right. See, I couldn't show my face like that. That's why your boy was down there. But now, feel me? We up here, baby. Okay, so I ain't trying to waste. Ooh, that barber nice, bro. Shout out to Barber God 203. All right, so let's get down to business. I'm not here to waste your time. Like I said, forex is a language. It's like going to China to learn Chinese. You gotta start from the basics. So, in the language of forex, today's topic is about the pips. In the language of forex, we have something called the pips. Okay, it's called pips. Um, so before I proceed, I just wanted to encourage you guys to think in terms of pips. Okay, so uh, I will have to answer that later because business is business. Um, okay, so what is a pip? You hear people saying, "Sorry, I made 300 pips. I made 5,000 pips." Actually, there's never been a 5,000 pip. The only time the highest pip was the 3,000 pip by George Soros, the guy that broke the British Bank. They made 3,000 pips on a sale on a bearish run. See, so you should know the history of what we're dealing with. So, so what is a pip? I went on the encyclopedia on the internet. I went on Google. I did my own research. I came up with my own definition. A pip means point in percentage. It is basically a system that is used in forex in the calculation for the money made in an uptrend or a downtrend or bullish and bearish movement. A single pip is worth $1. So let's say you put in $1 to enter the trade and you made 300 pips. That 300 pips times that dollar is $300. You see that? So just think of it as a pip. One pip is $1. Okay. So the more you go down, multiplied by how much lot size and how much money you put in, it determines how much money you make back. Okay, guys. So that is what a pip means. Okay. So the question is, what is a pip used for? A pip is used to measure how many. Let's say, let me go to my night mode. So I told you guys to keep your stuff simple. um, I have my night mode and my day mode. So I keep it simple on both sides. So this is my night mode. The white means the sell. The white means the buyers. So the buyers, and we have the sellers. So if you look very closely, there's more sellers than buyers. It looks like it's equal in amount, but there are more sellers. So in my prediction, I believe the GBP USD is going to end up in a major sell. So look out for this week in terms of selling more of the GBP USD, guys. Okay, so yeah, a pip is used to see the overall trend. So for the people that do swing trading, let's say you want to go for a work or business meeting and you don't want to be disturbed and be worried about your trade, what you have to do is and you want to know exactly how much you're gonna make off a swing in like 4 hours, in a week or day or months. You can use the pips to measure how much money that drop is, or how much money that buyers, the bullish and the bearish. The bullish are the buyers, the guys that are going up. The bearish are the sellers, the guys bringing prices down. I hope you understand, guys. So so this is how you use your trading view to measure the pips that you made. It's so easy. You go to your left section, you know, the tools, you select the ruler. So when you select the ruler, you just go from below. You should never do it from up down. The ruler only works when you do it from down to up. It gives you the correct amount. So you click where you know it's gonna drop. Then you click. Then you see I'm pushing it up. Okay, so that's where it is. So we predicted that we're gonna drop all the way from the top all the way down. So this blue box right here is gonna show you how many pips it is. So you see this number 84.7. That is 84.7 pips. So if you swing traded $1, by the end of the day, you would have made $84.07, guys. So imagine if you had put in $10. So the swing traders really work smart. The people that swing stuff and they know the number of pips they make. So if you had put in $10, right? Let's just say you did a 0.01 10 times. That's close to $10, something like that. So okay, let's just say you did 1.0 10 times. That's like $10. So yeah, that's like $10, and if you multiply that by that 84, that is going to be $840 just off that swing. So the pip helps you to see the bigger picture. Okay, so okay, let's do the math. Okay, so $10, the lot sizes. What are we gonna do to make sure it's $10? Okay, so 0.5. No, don't do 0.50. You're crazy. That's very dangerous. Okay, so what you're gonna do is let's say 0.01. You do a lot of that, like 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. You add a little bit of 0.05, 0.05. You break it down. It helps you be systematic. Don't just go and throw a 1.00 lot sizes. You got to do this the smart way. 0.01, a lot of 0.01s. That's why sometimes you see people with a lot of 0.01s, 0.05s. It all adds up. By the time you finish, you got $10. So that's really smart. And you multiply by the 84 pips, that's $840, guys. Imagine if you made a $300 pip. 300 pips. That 300 pips times 10, you make 3 G's for the day. Call it the day. Get your bag and get the hell out. Alright, so they help you think differently. They help you think about the bigger picture about trading. Okay, so this is just to show you guys about the pips, what they're used for, and how you can use it on the trading view. Like I said, you go to the left tab, you click the ruler. Let me do it again, so maybe you might have forgotten. Okay, let me start again. You go to the left side, you click the ruler, you come down here where you predict is going to drop, click it, and you pull it all the way up to where you think it's going to start from. You see that, guys? So we have the 86.1, 84 is close, so it's 86.1 times how much money you put in. So if you got a big account, oh my goodness, that's why. Listen, if you got a very big account, I don't know, you gotta be really stupid to blow that up, because you're always gonna be winning if you do it a smart way. Feel me? So if you had a big account, making $1,000 a day, if you do it a smart way, it's gonna be easy. But you feel me? I'm not there yet. I'm gonna get there. You feel me? I got faith. So we hanging in the. You feel me? We gonna get it, right? We're gonna get them big figures, but it's a learning process. So yeah, even if you had put in $1, you made $86. You made $86. That's progress. If you had put in $10, just $10, you would have made $860. Who the hell paying you $860 a day in the freaking factory? Ain't nobody paid me that. So you gotta study this the smart way, guys. Okay? I encourage you guys to take forex trading very seriously. Okay, guys? So your boy looking fly, got my confidence all the way up. Alright, so you gotta get a skill set. First, put God first, get a skill set. Be great, be surrounded by greatness. Always keep your stuff simple. Feel me? We just covered the pips. We ain't going back. Now we know what a pip is. You feel me? We know how it helps us see the bigger picture and how much money we're gonna make. So a pip is worth $1. If you get 84 pips, that's times 1. So if you had put in $100, just $100. 100 times 86 is for like 8. Okay, 100 times 86. It's been a minute, guys. Sorry, 8,600, something like that. Okay, so this is what happened to me, bro. This is what opened my eyes. I put $100 in my account for KOT Forex. Then I was selling off gold because as I predicted, gold was gonna sell off. I woke up at 3 a.m. I was in a 300 pips. I was in 300 pips. I flipped $1 to 300. You gotta be grateful. I'm grateful because it's hard to do that. to change your account from $100 to $600 overnight. I thank God, bro. This is what we're supposed to do. You're supposed to understand currencies. Never let anybody take that away from you guys. Okay? Always feel free to hit me up. Okay? My Instagram is God is Ken FX. My YouTube is God is Ken FX. Okay, guys? We are just here to learn. So yeah, you gotta start seeing things for a bigger picture. It helps you make more money. It's not like you're gonna get scared. Oh, I gotta log out, I gotta log out. Nah, you gotta keep that money flowing. Because you see, from here to here, that right here. Let me put it the right way actually, so you can see the bigger picture. So you predicted it was gonna drop here, but it was from that top all the way here. Let me go up a little bit. Let me do this with the red wire. So from here all the way here. That was our prediction, 87.5 pips. So this is where people, this is all psychological, guys. So you see that it's dropping, but it goes up, but eventually it drops again. So if you make your predictions right, it'll filter it out, and you're gonna get your money back. You're gonna get big money out of you guys. So yeah, that just opened my eyes. I know I learned this today. I'm always learning. So always keep this at the back of your mind, okay? The pip is very important, all right? Like I said, you get the ruler right on the left side of the trading view. You bring it, you click it from below, then you pull it all the way up. And the last number on the right is your pip count, okay? Have a lovely day. Share this video to people who have similar interest. Comment, subscribe. What you call it? Let's just, damn it, I feel like them regular YouTubers. If you want to comment. If you want to subscribe. All right, so that's what a pip is. Holla back at your boy. We out.